It's okay to say no.
It's okay, guys.
And one of the things that I practice now, and I've gotten really, really good at it. My husband's gotten too good at it. But I will say no first because a no is easier to go back and give you a yes later.
Yeah.
But once you say yes,
it's hard to take
the yes back.
Yeah.
And so I'll say no, and I may be saying to myself, let me think about it, or whatever the case may be. You may not know that, but I'm pondering it, but I'm going to tell you no, and I'll get back to you if it's not something that I can do. So setting actual limits. Yeah. This is what I can do. In order to do that, you have to know your capacity.
Yeah.
Again, sitting with yourself. What is my capacity? Not just getting up and letting the day meet you, but you're meeting the day.
Yeah.